ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ. ನಿಗಮಕಲ್ಪತರೋರ್ಗಲಿತಂ ಫಲಂ ಸುಖಮುಖಾದಮೃತದ್ರವಸಂಯುತಂ ಪಿಬತ ಭಾಗವತಂ ರಸಮಾಲಯಂ ಮುಹುರಹೋ ರಸಿಕಾ ಭುವಿ ಭಾವುಕಾಃ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಸುಖಯೋಗೀಂದ್ರ. ಯಂ ಪ್ರವ್ರಜಂತಮನುಪೇತಮಪೇತಕೃತ್ಯಂ ದ್ವೈಪಾಯನೋ ವಿರಹಕಾತರ ಆಜುಹಾವ ಪುತ್ರೇತಿ ತನ್ಮಯತಯಾ ತರವೋಭಿನೇದುಃ ತಂ ಸರ್ವಭೂತಹೃದಯಂ ಮುನಿಮಾನತೋಸ್ಮಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ನರನಾರಾಯಣ ಚತುರ್ಮುಖ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಸರಸ್ವತೀ ದೇವಿ ವ್ಯಾಸಮಹರ್ಷಿ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಇನ್ ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ ಭಾಗವತಂ 5th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Ghritaprushtha divided his Kraunchadvipam into 7 varshas and gave it to his 7 sons. His 7 sons' names are Ama, Madhuruha, Meghaprushtha, Sudhama, Bhrajishna, Lohitarna, Vanaspati. Now, in those 7 varshas, there are 7 mountains. Those mountains' names are Sukla, Vardhamana, Bhojana, Upabarihina, Nanda, Nandana, Sarvatobhadra. Not only that, in those 7 varshas, there are 7 rivers. Those rivers' names are Abhaya, Amrutaugha, Aryaka, Tirthavati, Rupavati, Pavitravati, Sukla. In these 7 varshas, the people are divided into 4 categories. Those are Purusha, Rushabha, Dravina, Devaka. These people, Yasam Ambhaha Pavitram Amalam Apaha Mayam Devam Apam Purnena Anjalina Yajante. These people will be taking water from the sacred rivers into their hands, and with those handful of sacred rivers, while offering to the feet of Varuna Deva, who is the predominant devata of the waters. They will offer those waters to the feet of Varuna Deva, and through him they will worship the Varunantaryami Sriman Narayana. And they will chant the following mantra: Apaha Purusha Viryaha Stha Punantihi Bhurbhuvassuvaha Taha Naha Punita Amivagnihi Sprusatam Atmana Bhuvayiti. Apah Purusha Viryastha Punantihi Bhurbhuvassuvaha Taha Nah Punita Amivagnihi Sprusatam Atmana Bhuvayiti. They will be praying Varunadeva like this: Ho Nadi Jalama, ho the waters of all the sacred rivers, we realize that with the strength, with the efficiency that is given to you by Sakshat Paramatma, you are able to purify all the worlds, Bhuloka, Bhuvarloka, Suvarlokas. And with the very natural ability, you are the one who is able to wash off the sins of people who are touching you. Such ho sacred water, ho Nadi Jalama, ho Varunadeva, we are touching you. Can you please purify, sanctify all of us? Like that, all these people who lives in Kraunchadvipam will be praying Varunadeva and will be worshipping Varunantaryami Srimannarayana. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana.